Okay, we're in the kitchen now with Ronnie B. What's up, Ronnie B? What are we doing here today?
We are doing the Purium Power Shake muffins. That they shared the recipe one of our meetings, one of our C meetings. So we got everything set out. So this is the Power Shake. This is the liquid sunshine. All the greens you need in one serving. So it calls for 2 cups of almond flour. We're going to use half a cup of Power Shake to 2 cups of almond flour. Check this out, guys. I got the Purium measuring spoon. They're so cool. I love these stainless steel. So 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla. You want to make sure you're using pure vanilla extract, not the imitation. No imitations.
So let's get some maple syrup in that. Is that right?
Yes. Stir all the dry ingredients first, and then we're going to go to the wet ones, the vanilla and oil. Half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So mix all the dry ingredients first. We're going to add a tablespoon of flax seeds, but we want to add some water to this. We're going to throw it in. We're mixing the flax seed with water. One tablespoon of flax seed with 3 tablespoons water. So now we're going to add the wet flaxseed to the dry ingredients. And so we'll stir this up. Alright, so now we add 2 teaspoons and then 2. Maple syrup. 3/4 cups of maple syrup. Put it on in. Next up is 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Guys, notice when you see Purium, tropical coconut oil. Put it in our mixture. Here goes the coconut oil. Next up is 1 cup of oatmeal. So just mix in all the wet ingredients with your dry ingredients. 2 more ingredients. We're going to add some banana. That's optional, so we're adding half a banana. And the recipe calls for walnuts. And they were all organic walnuts, so we got organic pecans. Look at this greeny green. It looks so beautiful. But it tastes wonderful. One lick.
You know I do.
One lick.
More, please.
Alright, so we're mashing up the banana. We'll add this to our batter. Alright, so we mixed in the banana. The next thing we have left is the pecans. I didn't get crushed pecans, so I'm just crushing them a little bit in a bag here. Okay, so we crushed our pecans. That's the last ingredient we're going to add. Alright, so just drop a couple tablespoons each. This should make about 12 muffins. This is in addition to drinking with your liquid sunshine. You're going to have this little muffin on the side, like a little snack. We call it a flex food. And you know what? I think we could do this with the carrot juice plus too. What do you think? Yeah, we'll try the carrot juice muffins next. We're excited. Can't wait to taste these babies. I'm gonna garnish these with the you can eat it like that too, you know, you don't have to bake it. But we're going to bake at 400 degrees for about 30-40 minutes. Okay guys, we're gonna add one more thing. We just have this idea of maybe adding a little bit of drizzling, a little bit of hemp seed on top. They are ready to go into the oven. So the Power Shake muffins are out of the oven and they look yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Have those with our liquid sunshine.